So welcome to the party of six. Today I'm super excited because we are unboxing a new grill. We got the Traeger Ranger here. So if you've been following us at any point, you know that I am a huge fan of the big green egg, so much so that my parents went out and got one before we came up. So I sold my green egg in Florida and I wanted to try a Traeger out. So this is a grill that we can take with us. So let's get it open and see what's inside the box. So first thing we have is the griddle. So it does have a griddle attachment. Let's see if we can get it out easy. I'm assuming there's not much assembly required for this. We will find out soon. Get out of there. Hey Brady, you want to come move the box? Okay. Box inside a box.
Oh wow, that's funny.
So that's the hopper. That's where the pellets go. Okay, so it's got a heat deflector. And it's got a little bit of grease on it, some oil. So we're going to get that cleaned up. We're also going to do a quick burn. So some rubber feet, a handle for the top here.
Screwdriver for assembling.
Yeah, even came with a little Phillips head.
And a
That
bucket
is-
for
That is for the grease.
I love grease.
And it also has a probe that you can stick into meat and then stick in here to the front to see your temperature. So let's get this
Daddy,
assembled. Yeah, bud.
I love you.
I love you. So let's see, the other thing we have is some feet for the bottom where there's screws, boys. So that's it. It's assembled.
Wow, that wasn't good.
So let's see what's in here. I'm assuming it's the grill grate.
Yep.
Grill grate.
You're right, Dad. What's the grill plate?
So this can go on here, like so. So I bought the Traeger Reserve. So this is a blend of oak, cherry, and applewood. And I also bought this hopper, or this bucket, which will hold the whole 20-pound bag. And it also has a little filter in the bottom, which is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going through the instructions. First thing we need to do, there is a power button, a little switch on the back, so we're going to turn that on. That fired up the front screen here. And our instructions say, I'm going to start with what's left in the bag here. And this hopper will hold 8 pounds. So this is a 20-pound bag, I believe. Yeah, 20-pound bag. So we'll go ahead and top it off. There we go. The only downside, I think, and maybe this is true with all pellet grills, I've never owned a pellet grill. Once these are in here, you're stuck with this unless you scoop them out or something, because this doesn't come off. So you can't get the pellets out. So I am stuck with this until I burn up what's in here. So it's a pro and a con. So I really hope I like this blend. So we're going to close the lid. Just push this ignite button and the top button until this says PRI for prime. So push them at the same time. Oop. So there that goes. So now we fill the hopper. It says it could take up to 2 minutes for the pellets to get into the hopper. We are going to press the up button and the ignite button. So this is the ignite button. So up and ignite. And it should stop priming. So now it stopped priming, and now we're going to replace everything. But first thing I want to do is go ahead and start it. Okay, so we need to raise the grill to 450 degrees for seasoning the grill for 30 minutes. So 450 degrees. And then we're going to push and hold the ignite button. And it should ignite. So we're starting to see a few little wisps of smoke, so it's starting to heat up. Okay, so I just opened it because I took the griddle out. And this does get a little warm, the handle, but it's a stone. It's perfectly in there. So this is a 10-inch pizza stone. I'll put a link in the description below of everything we have here. I believe you can get the Traeger online at Amazon. So we have absolutely loved the Traeger Ranger. We have it right here in our RV. It fits really well here in this compartment. We have a Fleetwood Discovery 40G that came with an outdoor kitchen. We actually removed our outdoor kitchen so we had space for all of our cooking gear. So the Traeger Ranger sits right here, put our pellets behind it. We have a table that we usually put on top, so everything fits nice and neatly. The Traeger Ranger has been a perfect addition to our family and our cooking. So one of the things we've been doing is cooking as we go through the states. So each state, we have a book that has the food for each state, and we have been cooking through the United States as we've been traveling. So the Traeger has been a part of a lot of that. So if you want to see some of the recipes we've used, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was useful for you. If you need a versatile grill that you can take on the go, the Traeger Ranger has been awesome for us, and we think it would be for you too. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for coming along. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we will see you real soon.